And Janine, make sure to project.
Project! Like that?
No, a little bit louder.
Hi friends, Merry Christmas! I'm Miss Brooke.
I'm Miss Janine.
And today we're teaching you guys how to make DIY ice cream.
Yummy.
Guys, this ice cream is so simple. It's just 2 ingredients.
2.
Yes, and if you buy a 16 ounce of the heavy whipping cream and a 14 ounce of the condensed milk, that's all you need.
That's it.
So let's get started.
Yay! Alright.
Okay, so step 1 is to pour the heavy whipping cream in the bowl. So you'll need a bowl just like this. You can pour the entire container in the bowl.
And we have our condensed, sweetened condensed milk. See, it's really thick. I'm using a spatula to help make sure we get it all out of the jar.
You want to make sure you get everything. Once we have both ingredients in the bowl, you get a mixer. If you don't have a mixer, you can use a whisk.
Oh, here's a whisk.
And you turn it on and you mix all the ingredients together. And you mix until it is frothy.
And make sure you get a big bowl. If the bowl is too small, you're gonna make a mess. We don't want you making a mess.
That is exactly right.
So we're making cookies and cream ice cream, and we're using Oreos as our cookie. Since these are mini Oreos, they're already kind of crushed a little bit, so it'll make it so that we don't have to crush as much. So we're gonna put them in a Ziploc bag. I think you can pretty much put as much as you'd like. Make sure you seal it closed. Again, we don't want to mess. I don't like messes. So, and then you can either use your hands to crush them, or you can use a rolling pin to crush them. So Brooke, you were asking me something?
Yes. What is your favorite thing to do around Christmas time? Or your favorite Christmas tradition?
My favorite Christmas tradition. So my family, growing up, we would always have Christmas breakfast at my grandmother's house. And then when my grandmother passed away, my mom kept it alive. So we have Christmas breakfast where we have pancakes and waffles and eggs and sausage, not biscuits, applesauce. And then we play games. So my cousins and my aunts and uncles, and we bring friends. So it's a huge event.
Wow, that sounds so fun.
And it lasts for hours. Usually we're not done until 3 o'clock. So
Whoa.
it's super fun on Christmas Day.
That sounds so fun.
Yep.
I love
What
Christmas
about
time.
you?
On Christmas Eve, my family always opens one gift. So it was always really exciting when we were little because we were so excited, obviously, for Christmas morning. So we'd shake all the gifts and try and guess what was inside of each one and put our favorite gift. Super fun.
Looks like fun. Well, how would you know what was your favorite if you just shook it up?
Guess.
Okay.
So sometimes we'd open it and then it wouldn't be the thing we thought it was.
Gotcha. So you have to just wait and hope that
Mhm.
it came the next day. Okay.
Yep.
That's
for the best.
fun. But always grateful.
Always grateful.
Yes. Okay, I guess this is crushed enough. So now we're going to add it to our mixture.
Yes.
Best we can.
Wow, look at all of that.
That
looks
so
amazing.
good.
So once you've added it all in there, you'll turn your mixer back on and mix it up. And you'll keep mixing until it's like a whipped cream consistency. Once you finish, you can add it to little containers like this, or any container of your choice.
yeah, that's what you do. So while Brooke is doing that, some other options you can use for your homemade ice cream, DIY ice cream. You like strawberries, fresh cut strawberries. There's of course whipped cream, never too much whipped cream, and chocolate. Yeah. You have caramel and sprinkles. My daughter loves sprinkles. And of course there's marshmallows. So those are all wonderful, yummy things. And then anything else that you may like.
Once you finish, put it in the freezer for 2 to 4 hours.
So for the best consistency, you should store it overnight.
The yummiest consistency.
Yes. Okay. Okay, so now we have our yummy cookies and cream ice cream. So excited to try my first DIY cookies
Ice
and cream
cream.
ice cream. Woo!
Wow, that's amazing. That is so good. Guys, you have to try this at home. It's so simple, so delicious, and you will not regret it.
Yeah, I already negotiated with Brooke. When we make it at home, we're gonna go for a walk so we can burn it off already. So,
It's
do we want to add anything?
Yes, I would
Okay.
love to add some marshmallows. If you can pass the marshmallows.
We even have fancy spoons. I'm gonna add chocolate.
What's your favorite ice cream toppings? Do you have a favorite?
No. I do like graham cracker crumbs and I like sprinkles. What about you?
Oh, that sounds good. I love gummy worms on my ice cream when I have a fruity flavor. And I also love chocolate chips.
I think I'll go with some multicolored sprinkles just to make it a little festive.
Ooh, that's smart. I'm gonna try a bite of mine. That's amazing. Well, you guys let us know what your favorite flavor ice cream is in the comments below, because this is great. And let us know how it goes when you guys make your DIY ice cream.
Cool. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, you guys!
Awesome video, don't you think? I thought it was great. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Also, be sure to follow us on Instagram. Bye-bye.